So let's have a look. The first one, I'm just going to put in bee populations. There we are. And we've got way too many results. We've got 464,000. Now, by simply putting inverted commas around bee populations, there. So I've treated that. It's only searching for bee populations now, whereas before it was searching for any article that had the word bee and the word populations. So this is now looking for bee populations. So it's still far too many. We could start using the date down the side, but because we know we're talking about declining, I'm going to write the word declining. So declining bee populations. And that gets us down to 319. So we're getting lower and lower. So what I'm trying to do, I am trying to get my search results down to they're on one page and that I don't have to scroll because very few of us go onto another page. So the next search I'm going to do is I'm imagining the kind of things it might say in articles that I want to read. So I'm going to say bee populations are declining because 6. I don't actually mind scrolling too much with just 6. So I'm looking through and I can see that it's highlighting on a lot of these. It's highlighting so I can see what it's saying. I do have quite a few links there that will take me to free resources anyway. Now, that's quite certain bee populations are declining. So the thing that I want to do next is introduce the wildcard. So if I put a wildcard in there, they're exactly the same. Let's introduce another wildcard. Nothing. So Ahmed et al. 2003 suggests that bee populations in Nepal are declining because. So it's actually available on ResearchGate. So I'm going to have a look in there. And I'm just going to do a quick search for that phrase. So that was bee populations. There. We've got it here. Ahmed et al. I'll make that a little bit bigger for you. Suggests that bee populations in Nepal are declining because of diminished flora resources availability caused by clearing of agriculture and pest and disease pressures. And they told us another place to look as well. So what I might do, I might grab that, copy it into my notes that I'm taking. I'll put quotation marks around it so that I avoid the possibility of accidental plagiarism. I'm noticing it's on page 4, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to also take a reference for it. And I'll copy that and put it with those notes. And then I'll move on and I will maybe do some more wildcard searches. So these searches are with 4 words in the middle. So I've got bee populations and I've got declining because, and I've got 4 wildcards in the middle. So here, bee populations, including native bees, are declining because. And again, I could do the same thing. I'll click on there, do a quick search. Again, we just got the one. Bee populations, including native bees, are declining because of habitat. So again, I might grab that paragraph and save it to my notes inside inverted commas. So I get a habit of how I'm note-taking. At the moment, I'm not doing anything with it. I'm just collecting information around those ideas.